Hello guys, this is Vladimir Rodriguez from Hands on the Wood. It's been a while since I don't do any video. I'm just gonna show you today how to make a pull-out drawer with dominoes. It's pretty simple. I got all these parts already cut, already done. Got the slots done. Once you're gonna do a pull-out with, this is plywood, 3/4 plywood. It's a white plywood on both sides. The only thing you have to keep in mind once you're doing your drawers, your pull-outs, is that you need to cover the sides after you do the groove. Okay, because if you do the edge banding all around, and then you run your rabbet for the bottom, you're gonna cut this. So you have to put this after you do that. That's a lot for the bottom. So you gotta, I do all the marks, okay, on all the parts. This is the front and back. This is the side. Got all the marks, see? So once you're doing your dominoes, you want to have this on the minimum cut size, and then you want to have this on the medium size cut on the domino cutter, so you can adjust so to have it flush on the top. So these parts are ready. I'm using the tiny ones. Okay, this is the 4x20. Okay, so I'm doing this. I'm just gluing. Let's see if I can adjust this a little bit so we can have a better view here. Maybe. Okay, I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm just putting some glue on the slots. Okay. You gotta be careful. You have to be careful. Don't hammer it too hard because you can break the other side here. So be careful. That's why I'm using a tiny hammer, because it happened to me before. I broke it. One of the most important thing once you're doing the dominoes, the cutting, use your vacuum. If you want those holes free of dust and chips. So I had that done, okay, on both sides. So I'm gonna put just 3 drops of glue here. That's the way I'm doing it, okay? So you can do it if you don't want to use glue on the groove, that's fine. Let's make it stronger. So I'm gonna put glue here. Just a couple drops. And slide it in here. Okay. That's it. Just clean the excess. I'm gonna do the same on the other one. Okay. Just 3 drops on the slots. Let's go this way. So this is one. Slide it in on the hole. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Take your panel, slide it in. Okay, just put it on one side, and you're gonna put the dominoes in here. Just put glue on the hole. Okay. Then you put the glue. Oops. Put the glue here. Just like that. You don't need to put glue all around because it's not going to stick on the plywood. This is finished plywood, so you don't need it. It's going to be strong. Okay. Okay, let's see. Right. Okay. Now it's it. Okay, perfect. So clean the excess. Some glue excess, just like that. And take a couple of clamps. Just make sure you have it all nice and flush. You can adjust it because you have the groove on the sides of the drawer. It's a bigger one, so you can slide it back and forward, up and down, to have the adjustments you need. Okay, so you have it flush. You have it flush. Nice and flush. And then you can just tighten it. Okay. Just tighten a little bit more over here. And then you can put your clamp on the center. Clean inside. And do the same on the other one. Okay. Just have it snug, just snug it. Just like that, so you can have the adjustment you need. Okay. That. And you can tighten. Clean the excess. It's gonna be a nice white pullout. Okay. And it's gonna look like that on the front. No holes. On the side it's gonna look like that. Okay. Perfect. Then just let it clamp for an hour or two. And it's gonna be ready. And I will show you after the picture when it's full done. Okay. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video. Have a good one.